Hello, everybody. It's your friend Miles here. This time I'm back with another review, a different type of product, and it's actually a brand that I actually use, and it's called Cremo, and it's their men's cologne. Look at that. Look at that right here. And this one is the Italian Bergamot. Nice. I also have another one here, which is the Palo Santo. Look at that right there. Look at that right here. Put them together. That's what we got. We put them together. I actually saw this at CVS when I went to CVS today. I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know they had cologne because I actually been using their body wash. I am a big fan of their body wash. I actually have the cast vanilla one here unopened, and I have the blue cedar. I've used like their body wash already, but I've never used their cologne. But I figure, you know what? Since I have everybody here with me, let's just try some of this cologne together. I'm gonna open this. Let's try this again. All right, got that open. All right. I can already smell it even before I fully open the box. Look at that. All right. And at CVS, this was $25, but I did have some CVS savings, so I ended up getting them. One was like $19, and the other one was like $23. But you can get them on Amazon for cheaper, for like $20, 21, 22. You can get them from Walmart. I got the Palo Santo. Let me try that. Let me try this bad boy. And you get a 3.4 ounce. Hey, during these times, we need all the savings we can get, right? Let me open this. Spray a little bit on the hand. I need to get like some of those papers that they have, like at Macy's. They let you smell them. I need to invest in some of those. Mm. Oh, wow. Hey, Palo Santo, I like you. Mm. Wow. That smells pretty good. And mind you, this is under $25. So this is really. And then you're getting a 3.4 ounce. I like that. We're going to put that back in the box. I can't be wasting all my cologne here. I love y'all, but not that much. But I do love y'all. Let's try the Italian one next. Let's see what we got here. You get to see me struggling to open these. We don't need no knife or nothing here to open these. We got this. I'm struggling with this one. All right, I got it. There we go. You know. All right, let's open this bad boy up. And these make gifts, good gifts. I know Father's Day isn't into June, but hey, this would make a nice gift. You can start buying them now, and got a birthday. If you want to buy your significant other some cologne on a cheap, it'd be like, hey, try this out. And you wouldn't have known that this was $25 or less until I told you. Like this cologne right here, if I said, oh, I paid $75, you would probably believe it because it smells that good. So let's try this one now. We're gonna try it on the other hand just in case. I'm gonna take my Samsung smartwatch off. I'm a big fan of Samsung. Spray that here. Oh, it's going everywhere. And this is the Italian one for reference. Hmm. Try one more time. Get the effect. I like it, but I am a bigger fan of the Palo Santo. I'm definitely a bigger fan of this. This one smells good, but I like this one better. Um, this one has like a lighter undertone, and this one has like a darker theme to it. So I do like this though. Like sometimes you just have to give it a little bit of time to let it marinate a little bit. Let's go back here and let's spray the Palo one more time. Palo, just for reference, the Palo Santo, and this is the Italian Bergamot. So I'm gonna spray them one more time. See, flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist. Oh, this is the one right here. This right here. This right here, the Palo Santo. You put this on. Listen, you a guy, you going out on a date, or you going out with your girlfriend or your wife, you put that on, she gonna be like, wow, this smells really good. This is really good cologne right here. Just for reference, the Palo, and then this is the Italian one. I recommend both of them, but if I was to choose one, I would say let's go with the Palo. You can't go wrong with that. And it's you get 3.4 ounces. Like that's and look at the price. Like you can't go wrong. So if it was me, I would go with the Palo, but you can't go wrong with the Italian. But stay tuned for more videos from me. I'll keep this up. I'll do like other reviews on different products. It's not just tech, but it's more than that. It's miles beyond tech. So you're going to get everything with me. So thank you. Have a nice Sunday, everybody. I'll catch you later.